Now let us talk about the patterns that these numbers follow in number series. The very basic pattern is the pattern of differences. Now there are two kinds of patterns of differences. The first one is the constant difference pattern. For example, let's take the series 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. The same series we encountered in the last video. Now the difference between any two consecutive numbers in this series is constant, that is 2. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2. The difference between 6 and 4 is 2. So the difference that we see between any two consecutive numbers in this particular series is constant. We can say the same thing for another series like 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on. Now the difference between any two consecutive numbers in this series is 3. So this is the first kind of pattern that numbers follow in number series. What is that? Constant differences. The second pattern is sequential differences. For example, let us talk about the series 2, 4, 8, 14, 22 and so on. Now the difference between any two consecutive numbers is not same. But you can see the difference between 4 and 2 is 2. The difference between 8 and 4 is 4. 14 and 8, 6. 22 and 14, 8. So you can see the difference itself is following a particular pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So we can say that the next difference would be 10. And that means that the next number would be 22 plus 10 and that is 32.